Everybody is so lucky that I didn't videotape that, sir.
Extremely.
Sir, clutch a lot?
Clutch a lot, yeah.
Jeez. You mean, sir, what do you call it? Sir, ride the clutch a lot? Is that your name, sir? Oh, sir.
No.
Sir, we better put you back in that automatic S4,
I think it's time to go back to that one.
Yeah. Well, you know what it is? You're a Long Island boy. You don't have any of these hills over there,
No.
sir. That's what it is.
I don't think I've ever actually had to start from a hill.
Yeah.
Ever.
See, a lot of people don't, so they get very scared, especially the rollback. Rollback.
Sir, there is no anti-roll on it.
Nah. Yeah, they don't got no what?
There's
Automatic
no
brake?
Yeah.
Think of, today, everybody's got it so easy
Sir,
with all
it's
this
not
technology.
even like driving stick anymore.
Yeah, no, it's, stickers like, whatever, it's, a lot of people talk, honestly, these automatics are so quick today, it's just like, whatever, you know what I mean? It's not a big deal.
Were you parking back there?
I'm going to pull it in the driveway.